Welcome to your Sunday Shave of the Day. Hey, Eric here with Adventures in Wet Shaving, and welcome back. It's good to see you. In this shave, I'm using my Friedr & Son. This is the number 49 Ace of Spades. That is bone with inlay, and it is a full hollow. This is shave 55 on this ILR edge, and it's going strong. It is. For my soap tonight, here we go, Stirling Soap Company, and this is Black Cherry. This has just got a fantastic scent. Really enjoyed this one. And I have had that blooming, and it's really good. It's amazing. And this is a tallow-based soap as well, if that means something to you. Fantastic scent, nice and slick. Yes, it is. Wow, just working that into those whiskers. There we go. Now, get those hands dried off a little bit for my brush tonight. Here we go. We are going with the King brush. Oh yeah, this is the Adventures in Wet Shaving King brush, and this is fantastic. That is a premium 24mm Boar knot, and it is a wonderful, wonderful brush. We're going to go ahead and get that loaded up. Yeah. All right, so we made it to the weekend. Yeah, hopefully you're being able to relax, enjoy yourself, be with family and friends, and just enjoy. Yeah, enjoy the weather, enjoy the time off. Yep. And in the shave den, behind that door is the world, and we can enjoy in here, and it doesn't mean anything what's going on out there. So hopefully you are being able to stay sheltered, right? And be in your shave den, at least for a little while, and have a nice time and enjoy it. Absolutely. Now, let's go ahead, get that soap off of there. Just like that. I'm gonna put that on. Yeah, it's not like, I understand the world has got a lot of things going on, and it's not all right, okay? But by this same token, this is one of the reasons why we shave with a straight razor, is we can kind of get away from it. And we can relax and enjoy ourselves, and it's okay. It is. It's okay to unplug. It really is. If you can unplug from time to time, you'll be more relaxed, I'll tell you that much. All right, there we go. Nice. Now, get the hand rinsed off. Yep. Yeah, and I'm not trying to, make anything smaller than it is, okay? When I'm talking about keeping the world out of that door. But, we do need a timeout every once in a while, and it'd be nice to be able to have that time to relax. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, this is fantastic. So, if you haven't tried Stirling, they do make a fine product. Yep, they really do. I'm just going to add some water to that. Let's kick it up a little bit. I really like loading that brush nice and pasty. That way you can get some good lather going. Yeah, oh yeah, look at that. Isn't that great? Awesome, awesome stuff. Here we go. Nice. Nice. All right. Now, it's time for pass one. And for me, primarily, that's going to be with the grain. Let's do this. Laying that razor flat, raising at a spine width. We're trying to find that 20 to 30 degree sweet spot. That is going to be the proper shaving angle. And if you can get that, I'm telling you, you'll get a much more comfortable shave. Definitely. There we go. Nice. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Good stuff. Yeah, and this has got a fantastic edge on it. Yeah, stretching with that offhand all the time. Flowing out my cheek. Just the way I hold my mouth is how I stretch. All right, and what I'm doing there, taking those short little strokes, that's a technique called buffing, and you can get a better shave. Just don't overshave. Overshaving is not good at all. Now I laid that razor flat. Raised it a spine width again. Every time you move your razor to a new part of your face, you need to regain that shaving angle. Very important. That way, you'll be doing better. Come in with a really shallow or even flat angle and tilt it up. That will be the best. There we go. Nice. Come in straight there and just scoop down, and you'll be able to get that area really good. All right, pass 1 complete. Yep, and it felt good. Really did. Very nice. Now let's get that rinsed off. Oh, super slick. Really is. Fantastic. Now just get those hands dry and get that lather going. Oh yeah. Time for the half pass. Yes, it is. Yeah, so we're gonna do my jawline and my neck. And for me, primarily, this is going to be against the grain. And it's going to work fine. It is. Yep. So, get that lather on. There we go. Now, here we go. Let's do this. Nice shallow angle on that blade. Weight of the blade only. No pressure. Yeah, it feels good. Yeah, it does. Now we're going to switch hands and get this other side. Just doing a little cleanup work there. Nice. Oh yeah. Rotating that blade around that chin area, trying to keep it as flat as I can. There you go, another shave in the books. Oh yeah. And it did feel like a good one. Now let's get that rinsed off. Oh yeah. Oh, cheeks are good. Neck and jawline good. Yeah, that's a good shave. Yeah, it is. Now, there were no bumps harmed in the filming of this shave video, but I'm still going alum everywhere. It's what I do, and this is astringent and antiseptic, and it really will help if you hit a bump or two. And if you didn't, it will help tighten the skin after your shave, and that'll be fine. Yep. And I just put that everywhere. Then I will take a towel and pat that dry, just like that. There we go. Now, if you can't take alum straight up, go with a cold water rinse if you can get cold water, and follow it with witch hazel. For me, I'm going with the Thayers, and this is the Lavender witch hazel. Really good. fantastic scent. It really is. And I'm going to put that everywhere. I am. Yeah, fantastic. Fantastic scent. And really works good. Helps repair the skin. And takes care of it. Yeah, it does. Now, for my aftershave cologne thing. Here we go. This is the Stetson Cooling Moisturizing Aftershave, and I'm using it as a cologne. Yep, it's going to be my cologne kind of thing. Yeah, it is. And again, fantastic scent. And that is cooling and soothing. Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. And we are going to take it up a notch, all right? For my aftershave balm, we're going Proraso White. And this is like green tea and menthol. Very nice. It was a hot day here. I think this is going to be helpful. I really do. Just get enough out of that bottle and go to town. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Click up here to see my latest video. Click over here to see a video specially picked out for you. Click on this one to see From Sharp to Shave Ready. Have a great shave and a good day, and I will see you next time on Adventures in Wet Shaving.